Hi, good morning! Preparing again breakfast for Arya kasi kindergarten now. We have a very hectic schedule. As a very busy working mom, one thing na nakatulong talaga sa akin is itong Talix earbuds. Ayan, nakikita nyo, suot-suot ko po siya. Yes, I am using Talix Aura Hello G1. I don't have time for wired headphones or holding my phone. I prefer hassle-free wireless earbuds, comfortable and no ear pain. Yung gamit ko everyday, magsundo, hatid kay Arya. On the go po kasi ito, mag-grocery, kahit saan tayo, sakay ng train, sakay ng tram, hindi po siya nahuhulog. At kapag may tumatawag, na-adjust po siya. Ka-adjusted here. Ayan. Sobrang gaan niya. Feels like nothing. Sa sobrang ganda ng product na to, we don't just have one pair, but we even got 2 pairs. Samahan niyo ulit kami sa panibagong araw. A day in our life here in Germany. Good morning! Ayan, maghahatid na po tayo kay Arya. And of course, usod ko pa rin yung ating Talix na earphone, earbuds. Ayan. So, back to our daily routine. Bringing Arya to kindergarten.
Bye guys, see you later.
Yes.
Few minutes.
Ah,
Bye.
again.
See you in a
Few minutes. Bye!
Please.
We're here sa kindergarten. It's snowing, guys. Dito po tayo ngayon sa labas. It's a combination of snow and rain. But I'm still wearing my Talix earbuds. Ayan. I don't have to worry, you know, because this is waterproof. So, even if it's raining, even if it's snowing, I can still wear it on. And while I'm walking, because I have to walk like 15 minutes from our home going to bus stop, and I don't want to waste my time because I have a series here. I keep watching my series. And I wanna know, I'm so excited to know what will happen. So as a mom, you don't have enough time to watch movies. Kasi nga, super busy ng life. But with Talix, ayan, I can watch my series. But I don't have to worry that there might be cars coming here. Yung tatabok tayo. No, when we're in the street, we hear the cars coming in because these Talix earbuds can hear your surroundings while listening to your favorite music or to your movies or any podcast. So I don't have to worry if there's cars coming in or bicycles because I can hear them, or if there's someone calling me, because this Talix can hear your surroundings, not just your favorite song or your favorite movie. So this is the exciting part of these earbuds. Oh my God, it's so cold and ang lakas po ng hangin. The wind blows super strong, but I still have no worries about our earbuds dahil kumakapit po siya. Ayan, kahit pa grabe yung hangin, grabe yung takbo-takbo. Ayan, takbo tayo dahil our bus is coming. We don't have to worry, I don't have to worry because these Talix earbuds really make it fast, you know, strong holding our ears, but it feels so soft. It's like nothing. Napakagaan. Parang wala kang sinusuot na earbuds. That's the great thing about this Talix. But I have to run now. Kaya ang bus natin.
At uminaw, damdamang hanging maginaw. Naaalala kita, palihim sinisigaw. Ikaw, 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 ikaw.
A lot of happenings right now here in the street. My bus, my cars. I can still hear and listen to my K-drama series without any problem. And even I can hear surroundings around me. It's green. Yan. So there's no problem listening both surroundings and also your K-dramas.
Commute time again, and it's crowded as usual. The tram is so noisy, people talking, sounds everywhere. You guys know migraines run in my family, and I have them too. So for me, it's not just about listening to music, it's about protecting my peace. I can't afford anything that hurts my ears or triggers a headache. That's why I use the Talix Aura Hello G1. Even in the middle of all this noise, my music feels calm and steady. I still hear what I need to hear, but everything else just becomes background. It gives me this small moment of quiet in a busy day.
It's nice to be back home. Sorry, I was in a hurry. After natin na grocery, pag-uwi sa balay, luto agad. That's the life of a very busy mom. And as you can see, I am still using our Talix earbuds. Napaka-great, super great the battery. I never thought that these earbuds will last. You can use up to 28 hours. Till now, it's not yet empty. It's not yet low bat. So when you're always on the go, run errands, house chores, busy mom like me, I would say try these Talix earbuds. Very practical, simple, lightweight, matagal mag-low-bat. Yung battery niya lasts so long. So as I said, waterproof siya kahit umulan,
Is it
mag-snow.
really waterproof?
Yes.
Mama, did you find the other one?
Yeah, I find out one. And I will put the details in the description down below if you want to get one. So sige na po, magpapakain na po ko sa aking anak. We have a fresh, yummy fish, lax fish for her. See you!
In a few minutes.
Bye! Peace! Nag-crave po ako ng pastel di kamigin. I don't know kung familiar kayo dyan. Pero sa Mindanao po, meron po kaming pastel kamigin. Yung buns ba na napaka-soft. Meron pong yema sa loob. So ayun, nag-search ako, nag-research ako. At yun na nga, ang mga ingredients ay condensed milk, isang lata. We have, wala akong cornstarch, kaya flour yung nilagay natin, pero mas better talaga yung cornstarch. Tapos, 5 eggs. And then later, yung butter. Yun lang po, napakadali lang pala. So, ang una natin ilalagay is yung ating condensed milk. Ayan, isang lata lang po siya. And then, napakadali lang po, no? Unahin daw yung yema filling, unahin natin. Dahil, mas maganda daw po na solid siya na ilagay sa buns. So, since wala pa tayo nagawa na buns, gusto ko nang kumain. So, unahin natin yung yema filling, yung filling niya. And then later, ilalagay natin siya sa binili natin na ready-made na bread. Thanks. So, yeah, we have to put 5 eggs. Meron po tayo ditong Freiland fresh sa English. Frisch sa German. So, class A. Malapit na po siya ma-expire. February 20 na. So, kailangan natin siyang gamitin. Kaya nalagay na siya sa bababa. Nalimutan. So, 5 pieces daw. Hala, parang may yellow na siya. May nabubuo na siyang itlog. Ang itlog ay may nabuo na chicken. Tingnan nyo, may nabubuo na po siya na parang dark. Na yellow dark. Parang nalabas na po yung chicken. Magiging manok na po yung itlog. Ayan siya. Ay! Ayan, oh. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, oh. Hala ka. Yan na yung magiging manok sana. Pero sorry ka kasi lulutuin ka na namin. So, kapag medyo mamix ito konti, maglapot-lapot, lagay natin yung cornstarch. Pero flour po ito. Flour. Niyan ko ng water. And, ayan, reflex ko po yung ating flour ni Tia. Kasi nag-bloom na siya. Ang tawag nito ay lily. Ay, Lily. Lily ang tawag. Naalala ko tuloy yung pangalan ng aking manager. Si Lily pala. Manager namin dati. Ay, napakabait talaga niya. And perfect yung pangalan niya. Sa face niya. Kasi napakaganda niya. I-mix-mix muna tayo. Ayan na po. Uy, ang ganda na tingnan. And then, lutuin lang natin yung egg. Mix siya para hindi ko mabuo-buo yung egg. And low heat lang. Wala na, buo na talaga siya. Yan. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung ating cornstarch or flour lang to.
Don't start the dough yet.
I'm not starting the dough. I'm starting the filling first. Ayan. So, isa rin pala ang na-reason kung bakit hindi pa ako nagawa ng dough kasi yung bata. Gusto niya na sasali siya sa paggawa. Eh, sabi ko, sige ko.
Mama, I saw you in the movie.
Ayan, naluto na po yung ating filling, yema filling. Kaya lang po. Yeah, I will also...
Mama, just a little. Please.
You go to the table. Doon. Luto na po yung ating yema filling. At meron po akong mali na nagawa kasi may time, may minutes po na pinabayaan ko siya. Dapat pala walang minuto na hindi mo siya i-mix. Kasi mugahe siya ba? Burdagol siya. Ang tawag na magtibugol sa Bisaya. Pero napakasarap po. Yeah, grabe oh. Totoo po to na para nakuha ko po yung pastel de camigin na yema filling. Ayan, itry na po natin. Yun po guys, oh. Dapat nito mag-solid pa siya. Pero dahil nag-crave na po ako, kaya kakainin ko na po siya. Grabe. Ang sarap niya. I-serve na po natin sa ating family. Medyo liquid pa po siya dahil nga sasabi ko sa inyo na mainit-init pa siya. And sa pag-serve natin ay mag-serve din tayo ng mga prutas. Meron tayong avocado at mango. And I know na magugustuhan ito ng aking pamilya. Especially po kay Tia na nag-crave din ng pastel de camigin. Yan, so let's serve guys. Kain tayo. Magbiyahe tayo bukas pa Berlin dahil marami pa tayong gamit na naiwan doon. At kahit document lang man, no, humingi ako ng favor na ipadala yung aking mga gamit ayaw niya. Ngayon kailangan kong puntahan at kunin dahil marami pa tayong mga documents doon, very important documents na kailangan natin kunin, especially sa mga certificate, no, mga work certificates, diploma. Kailangan natin yan just in case someday hindi natin alam, baka mawala yun kuha na naman ulit, balik natin kuha, sayang din. And andito na po ako ngayon sa napagod ako dun. Dito na tayo, 2 minutes na pala. We are ready na to go. Ito lang yung dala natin, isang bag. Ay, ito lang. Meron pa tayong orange na malaki na bag, malaki na maleta para yun ang pagsunla natin ng mga gamit na nadali natin from there. Wait lang, nagyan ko ng konting pabango itong jacket ko. Once lang kasi ito na sa beses lang ito nalabhan kasi hindi kasi maganda labhan palagi yung mga jacket na ganito, kaya medyo mabaho siya. Okay. So I can put this bag in the big bag. Yan. So ready na yung bed natin. Is tinanggalan natin ng bed sheets para mag-singaw. Pag balik natin is malinis na siya. Hi! You're so hot now. Hi! She's ready. So hot already. Come. You can open the door a little so it's not so hot. Minoo ko. We are ready to go. Tingnan niyo ko. Grabe, balot na balot po tayo kasi napakalamig po sa labas. At mamaya makauulan. Meron akong dalang payong dito just in case. So let's go!
Mama, this is so little, but it's okay.
Small. But it's okay, right?
Yeah. Let's see.
Hi guys! Andito na po kami ngayon sa Bahnhof. Pero baka
It
makapirize.
was big, Mama.
Yeah, I thought
It's like a
also.
normal.
Yeah. Dito po kami sa Bahnhof. Ayan, yung train station nasa likod. So, before tayo magbiyahe, ay kakain. So, kain muna siya bago tayo mag-travel and waiting for
For Mommy Jenny.
yeah, we're waiting
Mom,
here for
it's
Mami Jen.
sticky.
Hi! Kasama na po namin si Mami Jenny. Blurred daw camera, oy. Blurred permanente.
Okay, wait. Here's yours. But it's
Blurred
not
talaga.
this side, it's this side.
Pero
So I'm
kasama
not
na
allowed
namin
to
siya.
see
We have to travel one train pa going to Cologne bago tayo sakay ng ITCE. Kaya mag-ITCE po tayo yung ano lang yung sa mukha ko, grabe ka no. ITCE tayo, ang ITCE is one of the fastest
This is in the other
or
side.
fastest train here in Germany. Meron din pong bullet train, isa papuntang Paris. Pero yes,
I'm looking.
first time mo sa Berlin, te? First time natin siya sa Berlin.
After many years.
7.
When I do this like this.
Yeah. What should I
And very busy girl, the very busy pretty girl is so happy with her own. Wala la, forgot daw.
The use of this.
I'm gonna show you
Dat
later.
werd van de Unicast direct met mama's gewoon
Ayaw ko kaya.
Yan, we are, yan po sinakyan natin.
Okay, now.
Nag RE5 pa tayo, papunta sa Cologne and then Cologne to Berlin na. We just arrived in Cologne. Grabe pong tao dito. Okay, mga security even if midnight na 23. No, daming ano no, security no. Ano kayang, hala sa labas din te. Ha? Maraming security. Bakit kaya? Yan, sakaya tayo ng ITZY. Ah, okay, may event siguro. Grabe po. Napakabilis ng ating train. Ito po yung ating sasakyan. Ang ITZY 1541. Dati, first time mo. Joke lang. Saan ka? Ay, doon, tate. Maghanap kami doon. Hanap ka dyan.
This is Tito's bag.
Uy, uy. Uy.
A, B, C.
Ayan, dito na po tayo ngayon sa ating ITZY train. Bullet train.
Fastest train.
Fastest train in Germany. Pero meron pang isa pang, meron pang mas faster nito. Going to Paris. Yung 6 hours, gagawin nilang 3 hours. Oo.
Na-try na ninyo, hindi pa.
Ako, na-try na. Grabe ka, ano. Sabi ko na, talaga.
Where is the C? A, B.
I put your bag here. It's okay?
Yeah.
Here, you're gonna sleep later.
Where to see?
Grabe po tayo kompleto. Si Arya, meron siyang unan, meron siyang kumot. Kumot na sa isa. Tapos
Wala
meron
din
siyang,
sana ako.
yeah.
Ikaw na. Dami bitbit.
Tapos kanina, alam niyo, punong-puno ito. Grabe na puno ito ng ating mga pencil. Kaya ito yan, mga pencils niya. Color, ano. Ang bag niya tayo kanina, sobrang, ano, mas mabigat sa bag namin. Siguro 5 kilos na lang yan. Sabi ko, hindi ako magbitbit yan, ikaw magbitbit. So let me check. Sabi ko, dalhin lang yung mga kailangan. Ito, puno, puro pencils niya lahat. Ay, kinuhaan ko ng kalahati. Kailangan yun talaga, very important. Ito, nag-puzzle siya, very important din yung kanya. It's very important, right? Very important
Ano din siya
because
na ano.
you must learn. Yeah. And uno. Sige din, surati ha. Nakain na po siya.
Calculate A.
Oh, pwede na tayo dito ano, bola-bola. Yan, meron tayong bola-bola, avocado at saka papaya, mango. Ay, you want? You want ano, tinidor.
Ay, ganito lang.
If you want to eat, okay? Is it here with Mami Jenny? Yeah? Okay. Happy to eat. And we are a bit sleepy. I am asleep because it's midnight. And she has her own place. She has her own sleeping chair.
There, and there's another one, the other one.
Say good night. See
Good
you
night.
in Berlin.
See you in a few minutes.
In
Bye.
hours. Few hours.
Peace.
This is Arya's sleeping place.
And that's my play place.
Playground place doon.
No playground.
Ah, play.
Play place. Ooh, the turn off the light. It means time to sleep. Sleeping time. Good night, baby. Good night. Chest pillow, blanket. So. Welcome to Berlin.
Regionalexpress in Richtung Stralsund über Gesundbrunnen, Oranienburg.
Hi, just woke up. Good morning.
Lumas na sila. Lumas na sila.
5 a.m. early. Wala, nagising siya. Pero pag kindergarten niya. Hindi ko sa kindergarten, hindi not wake up. Only in Berlin, 5 a.m. Yes! Success! Mga mata namin, mga pula pa.
Sabi ko nga, mga vampires tayo.
Oo, ayan oo. Ay, wala pa pala. Last fallen. So,
That looks like Berlin.
yes, that color.
Yeah.
Yellow and
Red.
Right,
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
get your shoes.
I even go to kindergarten.
Oh, yeah. You like it? Oh, yeah. Sophie. Ah, no. That's her name. Sabrina. Her name is Sabrina. Sweet as well. I like her shoes.
It's a bit dirty. Kindergarten? Ay, Canela.
Kindergarten much.
Okay.
Mother.
So, 1 minute na lang, bababa na tayo. You have to prepare na po. See you in a few minutes. Welcome to Berlin, guys. Welcome back. Good morning. May nagising. Ayan, ang ganda po sakyan ng ECE. Alam, may pa-flowers ito. Wala ba tayo pa-flower nito?
Jesus.
Ay, ka-cute. Ay. May pa-welcome sila, may pa-flowers na dyan. Oh. Ang first time natin dyan, walang pa-flower. Ay.
Welcome to me.
Welcome. And welcome back, girl. To Berlin. Okay. Kawawa naman siya, sabi niya. I knew it. It's Berlin because of the train. The color is yellow and red. You know na. Pinungsa na. Dito sa unahan pa. Musa ka ta. Oh, sorry.
Ang galing naman niya.
Ay, dito tayo ngayon sa Potsdam. Ano, cellphone? Okay lang. Nagbili mo tayo ng tinapay. Brutchen. At magsakay tayo dito ng bus. O, diba? Ang lalayo. Madaling pa po sa labas. Oh, grabe.
Last?
Baka wala pa. Welcome to Potsdam, Berlin. Okay.
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers.